guys, so I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'll be doing the what's in my bag tag. This tag is super old. I have done it about 2 times before, but I thought I'll give it another shot because it's been a really long time since I've cleaned out my bag and I know that it's full of junk. It almost weighs like, I don't even know, like at least 5 kilos. It's super small, but like trust me when I say it has way too much shit inside it. And in fact, the cool thing about this bag is that almost every single person that has met me has been like, oh, that bag is pretty small, and then when I start taking out stuff from it, it's like never ending. So you'll see what I mean when I actually show you what's really in my bag. So to begin with, a little bit about the bag itself. It's a Kate Spade bag. It's plain black in color. I like that you can hold it like this, and it also has a nice shoulder strap which can go like a crossbody type sort of situation. So I really like this. I love this shape. Like, I really love this shape. So this shape was really in like 2016, but well, who cares? So I'm just gonna, without talking way too much about it, gonna go right in. So the first thing is a bottle. I know, right? You would never expect a bottle to fit inside this bag, considering it's like the size of this bag. I don't know how this bag fits in this stuff, but it really does. So this is a bottle. It's actually not a bottle, my bad. It's a flask. But what I do is I just carry water in it, and I keep refilling it in college or wherever I am, because it's usually filtered water is available everywhere. So I keep refilling this. Actually, now I'm kind of thirsty, so I'm just gonna drink some water. So the next thing is a notebook. This is pretty much my notebook that has my life in it. Almost all the pages are full now. I change a notebook every semester, so this is like my second semester notebook. Again, I'm not the kind of person that has a separate notebook for blogging and a separate notebook for like my schoolwork. I'm just like a one notebook person, because I know that even though I want to be that person who has 10 different notebooks, that's really not realistic. You're not going to carry 10 different notebooks with you. So it says, whoever said not to judge a book by its cover clearly never met me. So yeah, that's a little cocky, but I kind of like it. Okay, then we have a bill, because who cleans out their bills? Not me. So this is a Macy's bill, and these are for Uggs. And I bought Uggs in December, so I do not know why this bill is still here. This is my vlogging camera. I am that horrible person that carries a camera without a case, without any protection. You should see the lens of my camera. It's actually scratched. It's so horrible. Like, I feel so guilty doing this. Maybe I should learn from this video and some hate comments that I might get, and carry a case. Then you have chewing gum. This is Happy Dent and sugar-free functional chewing gum. I mean, it really has no explanation. It's just gum. Like, I've always carried gum with me. So then I have a lipstick. So this is actually a really pretty color. It's the Rimmel London 200. It's a keeper. So the reason why I really like this one is actually because it's more like a balm. Like, it's really like a lip balm, which is obviously heavily tinted, but so it's like one of the super sheer balmy lipsticks. So I really like it. Also, it was free. Then I have a portable charger for many months, and I do not know why, because it's not charged at all. You know, you're in an all-time low when your portable charger is not charged. So yeah, I think I should probably take this and charge this, because it's so important to have a portable charger with you, especially if you have an iPhone, because that phone has the shittiest battery in the world. So it's kind of good that I bought a portable charger, and it's supposed to be a really good one. Like, this has a good 6,000 mAh, which is not bad at all. It can do about 2 to 3 charges, if I remember, about 2 charges. But the point is, what's the point of carrying a portable charger if it's not charged? So then I have a card case. I'm not sure if you could actually see all this stuff from so far, like behind. Maybe I should take some close-ups. It's a really pretty card case. So I have two card cases. Wait, one more should be somewhere inside here. There it is. It's the exact same card case. Both of them are the Michael Kors card cases, but they're just in like two different colors. One is darker, one is lighter. Initially, I bought the darker one and I wasn't sure if I really liked it. And then I bought the lighter one and I realized that I actually like the darker one more. So, but I kind of am a hoarder, so I didn't want to kind of give any of them back. You know that thing where you buy something and you don't love it to death, but you still keep it because you're greedy? That's me, basically. But now I love it because I use it a lot, so I can't imagine not having it. So the darker one is basically which has like my cards that are my life. Like I will die without these. No, legit, because they have my identification and my debit cards. And the other one is the cards that you just carry with you for the sake of it because they're important, but they're not like your lifelines. So let me begin with the darker one first. This has my debit card. Oh my god, credit card, my college identification card, and my New York State ID. And then this card case has just a lot of random cards like my laundry card and an American Eagle gift card, which I haven't used. I should probably use that. I don't know why I haven't used it. A Staples card, Metro card, Forever 21 gift card. I have a lot of gift cards like store credit that I should probably use up because I don't know if it expires. It will make me feel really bad that I have store credit which I haven't used up. I have a bookmark. I think this bookmark is here because I went to Strand Bookshop recently and I bought a book and I've kept it on my table right there, but I kind of forgot the book back in my bag and I just, still have it here. The next thing is a business card. This is a property dealer and it's because I'm kind of looking at new apartments. So I met one of those guys and this is his card. Next. I have still so much stuff, guys. This is like a really big video. So this is, what is this? A body butter. I just use it as a hand cream, basically. It's really good. I really like this. It's by Soap and Glory. It's called the Smooth, Amazingly Effective Dry Skin Formula Body Butter with Rose Hip Seed Oil and Cocoa Butter. It doesn't shut. I really like the size because it's perfect for carrying with you. And I think this really works especially in winter when it's really, really drying the skin. I'm not sure if I actually need it during the summertime because I'm guessing it's going to be really sticky and hot in the summer anyway, so I won't need it. And then it comes to face cream. This is one of those things that you get in flights inside, the care package. And I just kind of steal them and carry them with me because why not? Like, you're kind of getting it for free, so might as well use it. This is another lifesaver. This is called Compeed, which is basically, on your foot when you get like a small blister sort of thing, or like when you wear really uncomfortable shoes, and it's almost like a band-aid but just for foot blisters. I have my keys, which is like the most massive keychain, like it's like as big as my hand. And the reason I have such a big keychain is because I'm known to lose my keys. And ever since I got this keychain, I've not even lost them once. So this has just a couple of my discount cards and keys. Then I have some mints. I will not step out of the house without these. Like I might forget these, like in case I put them in some other purse of mine. I will never forget my Altoids. Like I cannot live without these. So yeah, I have a hair clip because it started to get really hot in New York, and this is a recent addition to my bag. It's starting to get really, really hot and sticky, so I feel like I need to put my hair up quite a bit. I have this random pouch, and actually this pouch is, I don't know why it's empty because there it is. The pen drive is supposed to be in this pouch, which it obviously wasn't. So this pen drive is, well, just a really great pen drive because it's 128 GB. I think this is the highest capacity pen drive I have personally seen. Most pen drives that I have seen are like, I don't know, 8, 16 GB, 8 GB or something. So having a 128 GB pen drive is pretty cool. I feel like I'm the type of person that in class, if someone says, "Hey, do you have a pen drive?" I'm always like, "Yes, I do." So that's my emergency pen drive. Also, it really helps if you're going to like film school or design school. You should always have a pen drive with you. Next, I have my sunglasses. They are in a cheap ASOS. Where is it? ASOS pouch because I don't have space for a real hard case pouch. So I just put them in this. And I'm so sorry for the noise, guys. I feel like there's always some or the other accident whenever I'm recording a video. So these are the sunglasses. I love these sunglasses. So they are from ASOS only, I think. Or at least I actually don't know where they're from. I think they're from ASOS, which is why I put them in this pouch, but I might be wrong. We have a lip balm. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. So this was the lipstick which was had a balm like texture, but it actually has a very heavy tint, so it is like a lipstick, whereas this is just a lip balm. So that's why I have both. Then I have another lipstick. This is my everyday shade, and as you can see, it's almost over. It's called Craving Amplified by MAC. This is hands down the best MAC shade. Okay, if you like Meher as a MAC shade and you find it a little weird on you because you're slightly darker like me, this is gonna be your color. I have some wires, which one are my headphones, like my earplugs, a compulsory part of my bag. I will die without these because you're walking everywhere in New York, and if you don't have a pair of headphones, I don't know what you're gonna do. Then I have a charging wire because even though I don't charge my portable charger, I do like to charge my phone, and with the shitty battery like the iPhone, you kind of really need a charging wire. And since I do carry a diary, I carry a pen as well. I think the ink is almost over because I do religiously write in my diary. I am one of those people that actually makes use of the stuff that they carry. Oh, this is recent. Okay, this is from yesterday. This is a bill, a receipt of payment from one of the urgent care clinics. I hurt my finger yesterday, I cut it. So this is for that. Then I have, this, okay. So this, a friend of mine from one of my classes told me about, and oh my god, this is a life changer. It's called a Photo Jojo, which basically means that, wait, I wish I could show it to you, but okay, I'll try to put in a close-up. It is basically a small flashlight for your phone. So you essentially plug your phone in this area, and you just take a picture. So it's like during the night, so if you're taking night photos, like night selfies, or let's say food shots or anything, it's like rather than telling someone else to give light to your food and then so that you can take a Snapchat, you can use this instead. So it's almost like it just attaches to your phone and it's like a little flashlight for your phone. Then I just have like some change which I still don't know how to use because I do not understand what the difference is between a penny and a quarter and all of those terms. Like, I understand currencies in terms of 25s, 50s and 100s, but I don't know the specific terms that they use for them. So I'm really bad with currency. And then I have a $5 note and a 20 rupees note. I don't carry any cash with me, as you can see. I only have cards. This $5 is in case, I don't know, like I need to buy a bottle of water and my water is over and I'm dying, and the only option is for me to spend cash. So that $5 is for that, and that's about it. The bag is completely empty now, and as you could see, that was a lot of stuff that could fit in my bag. So this bag is hands down my absolute baby. I love this bag. I have used it like genuinely used it to the core of like using it. You've seen it in almost every single outfit picture of mine because I don't change my bags too much. I do have some of them lying behind here, but this is pretty much my everyday bag, and the rest of them are like what I change through. So yep, that's about it for today's video. I will now see you in my next one, and until then, bye.